This is a devlog for CoCube, which is software which allows you to take notes in the web browser. Where CoCube is different from other products, because there are a lot of products in this space, is that CoCube allows you to fully customize the user interface and behavior of the application as you use it. So if you've ever used other note-taking software or personal knowledge-based software, and then felt boxed in after using it for some time, then maybe CoCube will be the answer to your issues. Right now, there's a lot of rough edges, a lot of things just flat out don't work yet, but it's starting to take shape, so I decided to put out this video to see if anyone was excited about what I'm building and if I could get any feedback. So if you go to cocube.com, make sure you have the HTTPS. You will be presented with the site. Note that this only works in the latest version of Google Chrome. So that's version 113. And that is because all of this is running on web GPU. So CoCube does not actually use HTML, CSS, or JS to render any of it. This is all a custom rendering engine. And it actually runs the same way in the browser as it does natively. So you will be able to download a native application that, again, it just runs the same way as what you're seeing here. So this is the landing page, nothing exciting, but just to show you a little bit of the editing features. Each letter that you see here is actually a node in a node tree. So similar, if you've ever built a website in, say, React, and you have a tree of nodes that you have, that you store state with, it's a similar concept here. So each of these nodes has their own state. Just to show this, I implemented a little, it just randomizes the color when you hover over the letter, just to kind of show that. And if you say, you click on a letter, if you right click on it, you can start editing some of the fields of that node. And you can actually right click on any node, start editing the fields. So there's some rendering issues right here with this. I haven't implemented a layer system yet into the renderer. That's coming very soon, but I still need a little bit of time to do that. And let me just pick again one of these. So I'll right click here. You can change the color of the node. There's a bug here that I have to fix. The red, green, blue, and alpha are not updating as they should, but that will be fixed soon. You can change the alignment, so how this shape aligns with the other shapes. So this changes the position on the screen. Rotation. So actually the pivot point is way up here, which is why it's rotating this way. There's also another bug you see where the editor is rotating with the widget under edit, but that's something that will be fixed soon as well. Once this is out of alpha stage, I think this will be a much smoother experience, but maybe you can see what I'm leaning towards. So the idea here is that um, as you're building out your note-taking system, if there's anything you don't like the behavior of, you can go and create a bunch of custom logic, custom widgets, and you can make those behave in any way that you see fit. So everything you see here was built in CoCube's system, including the text box itself. So these are all just nodes. Um, Again, you can change the color of things. And so if there's something you don't like, again, just go and change it. So that is the idea with CoCube. And I will be doing an ongoing development blog for this, which goes into some of the features in more detail.